license already.
What news?
She's fled the capital. She says John Arryn was murdered by the Lannisters. She says the king is in danger.
She's fresh widowed, Cat. She doesn't know what she's saying.
Liza's head would be on a spike right now if the wrong people had found that letter. Do you think she would risk her life, her son's life, if she wasn't certain her husband was murdered?
If this news is true, and the Lannisters conspire against the throne, who but you can protect the king?
They murdered her best friend. Now you want Ned to take the job.
The king votes for a monk to ask for your sword's help. He's the only one he trusts. He swore the king an oath, my lord.
He spent half his life fighting Robert's wars. He owes him nothing. Your father and brother rode south once, on a king's demand.
A different time.
Really?